What is going on? Parker Chmiel here. I'm happy to announce this brand new training series that I'm going to be releasing every single week. What it's called is my MMM Weekly Recaps. And essentially what this is you're getting an inside look at what I teach my paid students. So each week I take the biggest questions I get from my paid students in my group, one-on-one coaching, one-on-one messages, and I do a quick training video every single week, 5-10 minute training video, just to describe those little answers. Now, before I move on, what I want to say is if you're interested in learning more about, my paid coaching, and we're learning about how to get more access to all the stuff you see them asking questions about, go ahead and book a call right down below this video. It's going to be the first link you see right in the caption. With that being said, if you have any questions on affiliate marketing, feel free to comment down below and maybe I'll include them in next week's video. But for now, here's the MMM Weekly Recap. Question number 1, right? Do I need to have a funnel? Question number 2, what should I be posting in Facebook groups? And then question number 3, my bit.ly link isn't working. What should I do? So I've had multiple people ask the same questions this week, so I just wanted to make sure to touch on these today. So number 1, do I need to have a funnel, right? And this is something, I get all the time, people coming into the course, people that have just joined the course, and newbies that are joining the course, right? So number 1, do I need to have a funnel? So no, a funnel is not required, but it is recommended when you first start affiliate marketing, right? We do give you a funnel when you first join to import into your accounts. It's in module number, I believe it's number 4. You can one-click import that funnel into your account for your affiliate offer. We do recommend you do this because it's a great way to collect emails, build trust with leads, and also build a real business and you're not just growing someone else's affiliate business, you're growing your own affiliate marketing business, right? You can build that long-term business. So we do recommend you have a funnel. Now, it's not required. You don't need one. You could just use the direct affiliate link and put it on your social medias, but a lot of issues can happen when you do that. So we do recommend you use a funnel if you have an affiliate offer. So that's just question number 1. I wanted to address that because I've had a lot of questions about this in the recent weeks. So not required, but highly recommended to have a funnel. Now, the one difference here is if you're promoting stuff on Amazon, right? So if you're an Amazon influencer, you've gone that route. At that point, you don't need to have a funnel. And the reason is because you're going to have different affiliate links for different products, and you don't really need to collect emails that way because you can't even promote via email anyways. So if you're an Amazon influencer and that's the route you're taking right now, highly recommend you don't use a funnel because you don't need one. You can just have your direct affiliate Amazon links. For every other person that's promoting some sort of affiliate offer, highly recommend you have a funnel. We show you how to do this in the course. We also give you access to our 6-figure funnel you can download and import into your own business as well in module number 4. So number 1, do I need to have a funnel? Again, required, but it is recommended. Question number 2, what should I be posting in Facebook groups? Now, I've gotten this question 3 or 4 times this week alone, and I just want to clear this up because it's something that is really important. You shouldn't be posting in Facebook groups, right? You shouldn't be going into other people's Facebook groups and posting a bunch of stuff, and here's why. You will get banned from these groups, right? If you're trying to poach members from groups, if you're trying to go in there and, even if you're just providing value, you don't leave any sort of CTA, call to actions or anything like that, there's a good chance you get banned and kicked out of the group. So we want to make sure to not post in Facebook groups. We need to be following what's taught in module number 7, right, for Facebook. And the only thing we do in Facebook groups is really just add friends that are interested in the niche you're promoting. So, for example, in the course we talk about like the keto niche, right? We show you how to do that using the keto niche. So if you're in the keto niche or the health niche, you find those groups, you add people from them. These people are already interested in what you're promoting and what you're selling. We're not going and posting in these groups. All we're doing is adding friends, and then if we post our content on our page and those people are interested in what we're doing, that's how we become and we start building leads and start generating sales that way. People are reaching out to us instead of us going in groups and trying to pitch them out. So we don't want to be doing that. We don't want to be going in groups and posting. We want them to come to us using our Facebook process, right? And again, for a Facebook content strategy process, I put it down here just so you guys have it again, but this is all in the course, obviously. So we want to be posting 5 posts per week on Facebook. We'll be posting 7 reels per week on Facebook and 7 stories per week on Facebook. And these reels and stories are both the reposted TikTok videos we talk about. So if you're doing Facebook, you should also be doing TikTok as well, because if you're doing Facebook, it means you have a high ticket offer, right? And that's kind of what we recommend to do Facebook and TikTok. You should be posting those TikTok videos, reposting those as reels and stories to help build that audience on Facebook. So question number 2, what should I be posting in Facebook groups? You shouldn't be posting in Facebook groups, right? Follow the Facebook process. Now, question number 3, my bit.ly link isn't working. What should I do? I've gotten this question about 3 or 4 times this week as well, and I'm just going to walk through this again real quick on how to actually, make a new link on bit.ly. I've had some people have trouble, so I want to make sure we all got this down. And again, this is in the course. And again, just one quick side note to this, right? If you have a funnel, you don't need to have a bit.ly link. So if you have a funnel, you don't need to have a bit.ly link, because on your thank you page where you're linking out to your affiliate offer, you don't need to actually create that bit.ly link. You can just use your affiliate link, right? And then you're going to have your domain name for your funnel. You're going to have your domain name where it's like, for me, it's like miraclemarketingmaster.com or chmielenterprises.com, right? Those are my domain names. So you're not even going to need a bit.ly link. The only reason you'd ever need a bit.ly link is if you're sending people directly to your affiliate offer, right? So if you're sending people from your social media directly to your affiliate offer, it's recommended to have a bit.ly link so you don't have that giant ugly hop link or affiliate link that you get. So if you have a funnel, you don't need that, right? You straight up don't need it. And again, if you're using Amazon, you also don't need a bit.ly link, right? Because they don't even allow you to do link shorteners, because we use, the processes that Amazon gives us for that. So bit.ly really is only for people that you don't want to have your own funnel and you want to promote directly to the affiliate links, which again, we don't recommend, but you can do. If you want to go this route, I'm going to show you how to use bit.ly to actually, shorten those affiliate links so you can post them on your social media. So I'm going to use just this right here. So this is the course login, as you guys know. Head on over to bit.ly. You see a ton of links in here. So all you have to do on bit.ly, log in, create the free account, create a new link. Destination is going to be wherever you want it to go. So for me, it's going to be this course. Title, optional. So I'll just put MMM course login here. Login. Okay, and then ways to share. So you need to click here, custom back half. This is optional, but highly recommended. Because if you don't, it's going to give you some weird letters and numbers. So we're just going to go MMM course. Let's see if that takes it. Okay, and it should be good to go. If it's something that's already taken, so let's just try like example, right? It's going to show you that it cannot be duplicated because someone is already using it. Obviously, just test until you can find one that you can use. So MMM course. Let's do MMM course login here, right? So we know exactly what it is. Good to go. Create. When you do that, here's the bit.ly link here. Copy it. Paste it up there. You're good to go. And it redirects right to that. So that's how to create the bit.ly link real quick, just for the people that were struggling. That's how you got to go and do that. So like I said at the beginning of this video, if you want to learn more about what they're actually asking questions about, you want the full training, the full support, the full Facebook group, the full everything, feel free to book a call down below to speak with my head coach to see if it's the right fit for you. And if you're brand new to affiliate marketing and you want to try it out for yourself, I've also linked down below my brand new 5-day fast track challenge. The goal of this challenge is to help you build an affiliate marketing business in the next 5 days. So it's someone that's never started a business before. It's perfect for you to actually go and get started with. So if you'd like to learn more about my full coaching, feel free to book a free strategy call with my head coach. And if you want to just get started on your own without having to talk to anyone, feel free to sign up for the 5-day challenge down below. And we'll see you next time.